Alright, so let's go to GoDaddy and let's log into the site here. I think I've already logged in once today, so it remembers the username. And I go to My Accounts and I click on Patrick right here. You may have to enter in our customer number and the password I sent you. But here I click on this and boom, boom, put that in, secure login. And I'm just going to give you a quick tour of how all this works. So I get rid of this, I hit exit, and I go down to Website Builder. So this is just their online website builder. And I click on this, and then I launch DFMXpert, is this website right here. And when I launch it, it comes up with the basic template that I started with. And anyhow, if you go into Edit, right there, then it brings up the site. And here's the site, and these are all the things that you can do over here to add to the site. And so here's this YouTube video that I plunked in here. There's a bunch of different things here. And I think that, you know, getting more graphics on what you do up on here. Maybe this slideshow needs to get updated. To update the slideshow, you go swap images, then you can add a photo and pull it off your desktop and crop it and make it all go in through here. It's got settings for setting time and all that. You can lock the position, unlock it. Anyhow, so that's that. Buttons are all, like if you right click on the button, you say settings. You can do a HTML link. So this is going to our Pro Workflow portal for our customers to log in. This whole banner is one banner right here. And if you click on this, it'll start a new project. We haven't programmed that in Pro Workflow yet. But anyhow, these are the pages, the benefits. All this stuff needs work on here. I just set up all these pages, plastics, but let's take a look at how this navigation thing works here. So if you click on this little box around there, and then you go over here and you say menu, you'll see this menu structure here, and you kind of dent things in and out. So that becomes a main button. If I go back, it becomes one in from that. So you just kind of bump these things around as the menu structure. So services is a page, on and on. These are all different things. Pricing. So we're going to have blocks of time, and we want to have like scales on if you buy a certain amount of time, this is how much it's going to cost you. These are the price reductions and the savings that you'll make when you go to these bigger blocks. On-site consulting, turnkey would be like we build the whole product for them. About us, our team, we really need some help on the team site area. We need a picture, a bio, and then maybe, you know, a link to be able to email the team member to talk, you know, directly to them. Jobs, testimonials, I think they would be great to put under here. We can add some of those. So if we want to add anything, we're going to do that in a different place, but we save this. This is kind of a reorganization place where you're organizing the pull down. So if I save this, we'll go to benefits and you'll see speed, and we can move speed down through that same process. But if we want to work on a particular page, we go up here to this thing right here, and these are all the pages right here. So you'll see all the pages that I created. And what we can do is we can go in, and there's a little edit button here. So if we're going to go to welding, so welding and joining, we'll click on that, and it'll pull up the welding and joining page. And or let's just go to a main subject like pricing, and you'll see what happens here. So pricing, if you go to pricing and you click on pricing and you say edit, you can change the title. The description, this is for search engine optimization, so we'll have to put in some Boolean search words here for Google. And so those things need to get edited, but you can change and edit names there. But that's where, you know, kind of the page, there's two different ways of editing the menu. This is really where you edit the names and everything. You can hide things right here. You can delete things if you need them. But if we go to, let's go to benefits. Let's see where the benefits are. So we go to benefits. See how it highlights it as green? And now we're on the benefits page. So up here you should see benefits right there. So we're working on the benefits. So all this, we can yank out all this stuff that I created here and change out these images and graphics here, do whatever you want. But we need depth and content and graphs and images, you know, throughout the system. And that's what we're looking for. down here on the bottom, some of these things need to get done. Sid and I are getting the PayPal stuff all integrated. These are some pages that need to get linked that will go to certain things. So we kind of want to just go through and start working it. And then when you're done, you hit publish, and it goes out and it publishes it out on the net. So it makes it go live. And you can go back in time if you need to, and you can revert to older ones. But over here, there's a lot of things that we can do with Facebook. We need to set up a LinkedIn account. We need, different things that are going to help put all this together. And we can actually incorporate HTML stuff in here. There's apps that go with this stuff. So you'll kind of, go over here and explore all this. You can put in a text box here. Images, we can swap out images. If you click on the image, you say swap image. After it gets done publishing it, it says, do you want to optimize it so Google will find, somebody on Google will find you faster? And you can say start optimizing. This needs to be done, I think, towards the end of when we get done editing all this, and then we can optimize it. So I'm not doing it right now, but we'll do that later. So I always click do it later. But you can say swap image, and then you can put your own image in here, and it'll swap it out. So anyhow, that's kind of what we've got going on the website builder. It's come a long ways. I used to run it years ago and I didn't like it, and I came back, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's simple and everybody can work on it together. It's a collaborative website development platform. So anyhow, I'm going to wrap this up, send it over this YouTube video, and then we'll let you move on, and we'll talk to you later. So Shift F10.